Randall M. Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Just close enough. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Randall M. Rueff. Today, I have a package from Amazon. Now, get my 7D out of the way here. David Wilson, a friend of mine who's moved away, and for all I know, is married and whatever. I don't know. He moved away. Before he left, we traded computers, cameras, which he never came and got what I offered him, but basically I got a camera, and he left this computer for me. And it's an HP. Now, I normally wouldn't buy a PC, laptop, or desktop, but it was, he left it with me. So, what I did is, it says Pavilion G7, HP Pavilion G series. So it's a Pavilion G7. So, nice looking computer. So it'd been sitting in the closet for months. And I finally said, you know what? He's probably never coming back. And I hope he's doing fine. I hope everything's good. I haven't heard anything from him in a long time, so I don't know. But last I heard, he was with somebody else, and he'd moved to far away. So, don't know. Like I said, David, if you're out there, I hope you're doing okay. I hope everything's good. So I decided to get a power cord for it. And like I said, the computer's just been sitting in the closet for months. I have no idea what's on the computer. It says Windows. Let me see. It says right here, Intel Core i3 inside, Windows 7. So that's the operating system, I assume. And again, I don't have any idea what he's got on his hard drive. I have no idea. I mean, it could be anything. So I decided to go online and look up the power adapter so I could actually turn the computer on, power it up, and turn it on. So I've got one little bitty key here, and also got some super glue. Gorilla Super Glue Gel. This is good stuff. It works really good. Made in China, of course. Not everything, but a lot of stuff's made in China now. Put my keys up. And okay, so you got this thingy and this thingy. So you got this and this. Why they can't just make one cord, I don't know. Not a clue. But it looks like the right. Look, I'm looking at the thing. So this is supposed to be the right cable for this. So I'm pretty sure it's good. Oh, of course, we got a little manual. How to use this charger, blah, blah, blah. That's basically stupid crap I don't need. It looks more bully wrap. I'm going to throw the manual in there, scrap paper, put that in there. I'll save this bully wrap for the other room. I'm going to unwrap my super glue, which look, I think there's only 1 drop per square inch recommended. Yep. Ah, there it is. So it comes out. It's not too hard. Whoa, drop the. Now, when I order these, I'm going to put or redo my my hand strap for my camera, but I've decided to get rid of the hand strap. A little Snickers bar. Mom got this for Christmas or her birthday or something. It had Snickers in it, so I've been using it for storage. I've also got a Twix caramel thing too. These are neat little tins, and I'll put it. So take this, throw it in the bag here. I'll throw this away. We go plug in the computer, give it a charge, and see what happens. So until next time, I'm Randall M saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. Wish me luck. I'm kind of curious to see what's on the computer.